This Diamond Realty Associates property video is presented by Shea Maddox. Welcome home to this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home located in the desirable Blanchard community just north of Shreveport. Offering a spacious split floor plan, this home features a separate dining area, an inviting open-concept kitchen, and stylish finishes throughout. The kitchen is a standout with abundant cabinetry, large breakfast bar, farmhouse sink, decorative vent hood, and plenty of workspace for cooking and entertaining. The private primary suite includes a relaxing garden tub and ample storage, while the additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. Warm neutral colors, modern fixtures, and attractive wood-look flooring make this home move-in ready. Outside, you'll find a small detached carport and a storage building, perfect for extra parking, tools, lawn equipment, or hobbies. Conveniently located with easy access to Shreveport while still enjoying the quiet feel of country living. Don't miss your chance to own this affordable, stylish home in North Caddo Parish. For more information